Nature is an unstoppable force capable of awe-inspiring power and sheer unpredictability. Today, get ready to witness breathtaking moments where Mother Nature unleashed her full fury through hurricanes, floods, avalanches, and more. Let's dive in.
I'm trying!
That chopper boat is not worth it at this point! It's not worth it! That chopper boat! Stop!
In Iowa, residents were stunned when they set out to film some massive clouds. But what they captured turned into a surreal spectacle, nature putting on an unforgettable show. Yet again, India found itself at the mercy of torrential rains in 2023. Rivers overflowed, cities drowned, and destruction was everywhere. Nothing was safe, not homes, roads, or even vehicles.
No way!
Australia faced devastating floods that displaced hundreds of thousands. Rivers swelled, and entire towns were submerged, leaving a trail of destruction that cost millions in damages.
No way!
Imagine standing in a peaceful, dry area, only for it to be drowned in a massive flood within 2 minutes. Luckily, there were no casualties, but those who experienced it will never forget nature's sudden rage.
أنا مصور فيديو. أنا مصور فيديو.
What do 120 kilometers per hour winds look like? Imagine entire forests of century-old trees flattened in minutes. That's the power of nature, leaving people without power for days.
Then it blew we got a wooden fence there, blew the fence out.
Right down next to our neighbor.
Heavy rains triggered a terrifying landslide in India. Motorists at a safe distance still couldn't believe their eyes as a chunk of the mountain simply vanished, collapsing into a cliff below. A calm river can become a raging monster in an instant. In 2023, a city in India experienced this firsthand. Overflowing waters tore through riverbanks, sweeping away houses as horrified residents watched helplessly.
Don't move.
Caught at the wrong place at the wrong time, this driver faced nature's wrath. A sudden disaster left his car scratched, but he was lucky to escape with his life. "5 minutes. That's all it took for a brutal hailstorm to wreak havoc, smashing cars and homes. Nature doesn't need much time to leave its mark. Paradise can turn into a fiery inferno at any moment in Hawaii, home to one of the world's most active volcanoes. Brave visitors witnessed lava flowing, an extraordinary sight you won't find anywhere else. The odds of lightning striking a boat are about 1 in 1,000, but when it happens, it's unforgettable. Even though the electrical damage might be minimal, the stress for passengers is immeasurable.
I've heard about.
At this stadium, too much power consumption seemed to annoy Mother Nature. With a sudden gust, the lights went out, sending a powerful message to conserve energy. Driving through mountains can be a dream or a nightmare. A dash cam captured the moment an avalanche exploded in the distance, sending a massive cloud rolling down. Thankfully, drivers were able to stop just in time. A cubic meter of rock crashed down in this jaw-dropping landslide. Recorded in Switzerland, this scene serves as another chilling reminder of nature's destructive power.
Dio, che pelada tem. Ah, Madonna. Bellissimo. Questo sta bellissimo.
Слушай, не сфотографируй.
In Colorado, melting ice dams unleashed torrents of water. These powerful flows carried debris and icebergs, creating a chaotic, breathtaking display.
Пошла лавина, пошла, правее смотри.
Tourists on Mount Elbrus, Europe's highest peak, were lucky to be in a safe spot when a massive avalanche roared down. It was a dangerous, yet unforgettable experience.
Пошла лавина, пошла, правее смотри.
When severe flooding began eroding the riverbank, residents had no choice but to evacuate. They could only watch as their home was swallowed by the rushing waters. Cyclones don't just bring strong winds, they can affect pressure, causing health issues. This is why it's best to stay inside when a cyclone strikes. Safety should always come first. Mountains in Alaska hold hidden dangers. When an avalanche strikes without warning, the key to survival is quick thinking, something these climbers demonstrated perfectly. The sea swell is a fascinating phenomenon. In Acapulco, towering waves rolled in, creating mesmerizing scenes that locals and tourists couldn't look away from.
All right, this is looking eastward. We're at Val Vista.
For residents of Arizona, dust storms are normal, but this one was special. It formed when three air currents collided, creating a swirling, awe-inspiring storm that covered everything in its path.
That's the edge of it looking to the southwest.
A group of hikers sensed danger when they heard distant rumbling. Acting on instinct, they started recording just in time to capture an epic mountain collapse on camera. Landslides may not always appear threatening, but their impact can be devastating. This one came dangerously close to homes, though fortunately, only the road was damaged.